Hello, welcome to Academic School. Are you looking to create a detailed and structured rubric for your class's next assignment? Well, if yes, then you're in the right place. Introducing the Scoring Guide tool. It's an AI-powered tool that helps you generate a custom rubric for any assignment in the clearest and easy-to-use table format. Well, to access the tool, you have to simply look for this tool named the Scoring Guide. Yes, once you find it, click on it and enter some prompts. The first one being the year level. So let's say that my students are in 12th grade, okay? What about the standard or objective? So here I will write, students should be able to assess their SWOT. SWOT means strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in the business, in their business ideas. Okay, so students are given the assignment which is related to their own, setting up their own, businesses, and they should be able to analyze their business. Assignment title is My Startup. Okay. And assignment description being, students should be able to think of the business they want to start and they should be able to analyze the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of their plan. All right, so I've written it here. Scoring scale, let's keep it 10, okay? And any additional customization for scoring? No, nothing much. All right, that is it. Now I have clicked on generate, and within seconds we will get an organized, a comprehensive rubric which we can use to, of course, analyze our students' performance. And here we are. Oh my God, you just see it. Yes, it has listed the criteria. It has listed, as we had kept 10. So 9 to 10 means excellent, then 7 to 8 is good, 5 to 6, fair, and 0 to 4, poor. Additionally, it has given me the criteria, right, on which we can assess our students' performance: business idea development, SWOT analysis, clarity and structure, writing quality, creativity, and innovation. Isn't it fantastic, right? So we've got our time-saving, fair, and best rubric that we could have got for assessing our students' assignments, right? Thanks for watching. Try the Scoring Guide tool today at Academiq AI and simplify your grading process with ease using rubrics. Happy teaching.